Today I'm talking about our brother Abdul Ghani. He left his home telling his wife, I'm coming back. Did he go back? Did he? He put on his own clothes when he was going to work. It was removed for him. So prepare for the last day. Nobody knows when it's coming. And it will never alarm you telling you that I'm coming. So you do the right thing before it is too late. The only Savior is Allah. So give yourself to Allah. Take yourself to Allah. You belong to Him. So go back to Him, and He's ready to accept you. Allah will accept you. He will. So brother, this is a wake-up call to you and I.